Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're here because Add Yours on Instagram isn't working for you, you're in the right place. This feature is super fun for engaging with your followers through stories, but glitches can pop up, especially with app updates in 2025. Don't worry. I'll walk you through simple, step-by-step fixes that could get it up and running in no time. First off, let's quickly cover what Add Yours is. It's a sticker in Instagram stories that lets you prompt your followers to share their own responses, like answering a question or adding to a trend. Now, if it's not working, there could be a few reasons. Maybe your app needs an update, or there are permission issues, or even a temporary bug on Instagram's end. Let's dive into the fixes. Step 1. Update your Instagram app. Head over to the App Store for iOS or Google Play Store for Android, and make sure you have the latest version. 2025 might bring some new features or bug fixes. Step 2. Check your internet connection. A weak signal can cause features like Add Yours to fail, so switch to a stronger Wi-Fi or restart your router if needed. Step 3. Clear the app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Instagram, Storage, Clear Cache. For iOS users, try offloading the app and reinstalling it to refresh the data. Step 4. Restart your device. Sometimes, a simple reboot can resolve minor glitches. Also, double-check that you have the necessary permissions enabled. Go to your phone's settings, find Instagram, and ensure camera, microphone, and storage access are turned on. If these steps don't work, it might be worth checking for any account restrictions or reporting the issue directly to Instagram support through the app. Remember, tech issues like this are common, but with these tips, you should be back to creating engaging stories in no time. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick fixes. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.